loud, but we are doing an alternator on this BMW 528. It's got the same motor as my car. Well, maybe not. It's the N52. Mine is N51, but if they are the same, mine just has that secondary air pump stuff all over here. But essentially, we're working on the same car. And I gotta loosen that. I'll be right back with this screwdriver. That's gotta go. There we go. That's all. I should be able just to pull it from the bottom. I should be. There we go. Put this here. Oh. To get this alternator, it's going to be this bolt. I just have to disconnect or take the serpentine belt off and do this clip over here, so that this clip can come off. And just push that in and come off. Oh, I got enough light. I thought I needed it. Yeah, I appreciate you again. I thought I needed it, but then I was like, you know what? I got enough light here. Thank you, though. I just thought it was dark as heck over here for a second ago. I was like, man. Okay, so this comes up, goes over, comes underneath this, comes over that, comes over that, comes boom on this, and goes around the crank. Alright, I'm gonna be back and I'm gonna take a picture of it. Alright, I got my e-torque. Do I have a shorter one? Yeah. Oh, we got that one. Yes. All right. So normally you don't take that oil cooler off, but I took it off because I couldn't really get in there like that to get that for the tensioner. So what I gotta do, leave the zip tie here. I'm gonna take this off. See if I can use a long screwdriver to put that belt back on. There it was. We're just gonna take the whole belt out. I was gonna zip tie it, but we're gonna take the whole belt out because I want to clean this belt up. So we're gonna pull this whole thing out. Cool. Hang that right there. Alright, I'm going to clean this up, crack these bolts off, take this alternator out, and then be right back in a moment. Alright, so we got it cleaned up the best we can. All I got to do is crack these bolts loose. We're gonna put some more. Top. This must be an aluminum bolt. Two bottoms, and you got two top. Around, set that right there. And that one is 13, so I'll crack it off with a 13 and I'll be right back. Alright, pop that off. We're gonna pop this on because we got a 13. We're gonna take this off. Boom, that nut, take that. Put that right there. Feel you.
Well, I always try to get out of
Pull
it,
that.
but I always come back.
I tried that, and now I'm back. No, I'm trying to find a spot to put it.
You need these?
Oh yeah, we need the pulley. I was just trying to find a place to put it and sit it. I need it.
All these here, you know.
You're right, you're right. Alright, so that's the one we need. What? And what is that? That's a 17, probably.
What you lose? What you lose?
His mind. He lost his mind. Maybe it's a 16.
You got a fucking job. Why you fucking the guy don't people that no more?
I don't want to be a super mechanic. Wow.
Where did that go? Where did that go?
Yes, yeah, you don't want to do it.
You know, they want to come here and beat you.
Yeah, but I think the mechanic they got over there, I don't know how good the guy is anyway. I think the guy they got over there is just like an oil change.
Yo, man, I just fucking tell me, what let me do a oil change. I'm easy break. No electronics.
I had a guy come in there and do that with me. I had to do an interview. Guy came in and told me, he said, look, I only want to do oil changes. I only want to do this, brakes, you know, like you said, all easy shit. I looked at the guy like, okay, yeah.
You want the gravy work, huh?
Yeah, so the guy basically came in, he's like, look, I'll work for you. You know, I want this much money an hour. I forget how much he said, but he's like, I only do oil changes and brakes and light suspension. And I'm like, do engine? No engines, no transmission. I don't do anything heavy. And I'm like, okay, I'll call you. Well, he said, I think I ripped up the paper and threw it away. So you're sitting there and tell me like,
yeah. That shit is no joke.
And you know, listen, you know that that better than go. When you got a fucking fucking finger, all the fucking shit you tell me to your finger. You want it?
No, that's why I put gloves on, because this finger's cut and this one is swollen from the back because I fucked it up yesterday and Brake Clean tear my shit up. You don't remember, but Brake Clean remembers.
When you want to touch something, you want to do it down. You hit it your finger, you're going to hit the other hand.
Alright, we're on that tight. Pop that on. We're gonna push this back in.
Water pump in this fucking car.
Take this off and leave it on, right? Take it off. Fuck it. Warning. Blah bitty blah 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 blah. Alright. This shit goes like that. So I gotta go like this.
I am going to fucking easy. No.
Alright.
Remember something. You can't do it.
Yeah, we're gonna do this.
Anyway, I want to try cheating over there.
oh, he's gonna cheat.
I don't feel okay. I want to take it on the front. Fuck that. I want to take it on the fucking cat. Yeah, take it on the cat. I'll take it on the chocolate cake. Water coming out. I'm not breaking nothing yet.
You wanna try?
I better break it something or make get this guy comfortable.
Give him something to do?
Okay, so
No.
No, the answer is no.
Eugene just called me.
Who?
Eugene. AAA
I
Management.
don't come and get a motherfucking Kia more at the Hyundai motor or the Kia motor.
No, the motor that he just got, and the guy who came it off the truck, they looked at it, they found a crack in the rock.
Oh man.
So he said they won't have one until tomorrow, so we probably won't get it until Friday. Their car's not gonna be done until it is what it is. I didn't sell a car with a blown motor.
Why would they sell a car with a blown motor?
They sell the car before they even.
Because they sell good cars.
Oh yeah, they sell good cars.
Well, they want to make sure it's an investment to put money into if they're gonna sell it. To sell it before it's fixed, and then when it needs to be fixed, fix it so they can sell it. But then it's like, all right, well, that's when you run into the thing of being on a crunch time of trying to get it done. And
So the Scion is here.
Scion.
When he's done with this, and he
Orlando said Orlando said he's buying you
yeah, I'm sure he is. Orlando, can you continue to take the motor out?
That's 4 hours.
all this up. All right, I'm getting ready to come out in a few. I'm just making sure everything is good. Can't clean up the whole thing, but good. Everything is charging. Everything's good. Alternator's back. This isn't leaking. So we are ready to bring this out. And that concludes the alternator on the 528i.